Some animals chase their food. Others wait for it to come close. But one small fish does something different. It shoots it down. The archerfish lives in rivers and swamps. When it sees a bug sitting on a branch above the water, it aims and spits a jet of water straight at it. The bug falls. The fish grabs it, fast and clean. It hits targets up to 6 feet away. It even adjusts for light and angle, like a tiny hunter with a perfect shot. No teeth, no speed, just smart aim and water. It doesn't look powerful, but it makes every drop count. Because sometimes the best hunters don't chase. They wait. And they aim right. Like and subscribe to Wild Kingdom Knowledge for more animal skills you'd never expect.